Google has increased the functionality of its related activity cards. This change has been designed to make it easier for users to move forward in their shopping, job, recipe or related journey. The new shopping activity card will be shown to users products that they've been researching. Even if they only read about it in the article, the card will include price ranges and ratings that users can compare products easily. The job activity card will show relevant and new job listings that have been added since their last job search. This means that users will now be able to see new jobs at a glance. The recipe activity card will include related recipes to those a user has already looked at. They will also have an image thumbnail for users to preview the final result. These new tools will facilitate users moving further into their journey. It could result in an increase in sales, more job applications and more recipe views. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.